Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. As of October 3rd, 2024, our system has categorized Nvidia as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.37. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 20.72% since we first identified Nvidia as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.71% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a retracement toward the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $150.27 will initially signal a stronger rate of ascent. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 24.66% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 4.78% to 26.30%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 190.38% over the next year, with potential returns between 137.40% and 193.79%. This projection translates to a price range of $352.10 to $435.72 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Nvidia stock after gaining 2.1%. The Nvidia stock price increased by 2.1% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, rising from $145.26 to $148.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.47%, with a low of $146.01 and a high of $149.62. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 12 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 188 million shares bought and sold for approximately $27.81 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $149.76, while the lowest price was $45.01. Currently, the price is 0.97%, or $1.45 below the 52-week high of $149.76, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia has been generating significant buzz ahead of its upcoming earnings report, with analysts at Mizuho raising their price target, signaling strong confidence in the stock's potential. On November 12th, Nvidia's shares experienced a rally, further fueled by expectations of impressive third-quarter results that could reflect a staggering 81.8% year-over-year revenue growth, driven by their Hopper and Blackwell GPU lines. With a projected revenue of $32.5 billion for the third quarter, Nvidia's operating margins have impressively climbed to 68%, indicating robust profitability amidst high demand from data centers. Moreover, Nvidia has been spotlighted as a top pick among profitable S&P 500 stocks, showcasing its strong net income ratio, which bolsters its position in the market. The potential $475 million AI cloud deal between AWS and IBM to supply Nvidia GPUs could also provide a substantial boost, reinforcing demand for Nvidia's technology in the AI sector. Despite some analysts suggesting the company may break its streak of beating earnings, Mizuho emphasizes a positive outlook for later in the year, underscoring Nvidia's long-term growth trajectory. This combination of positive analyst sentiment, anticipated strong earnings, and rising demand in high-margin sectors positions Nvidia favorably for both short-term gains and long-term potential, making it a compelling focus for investors in the tech sector. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated NVDA as overweight with a hold recommendation. Also on that day, KeyBank gave NVDA an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. Additionally, Oppenheimer provided NVDA with a perform rating and a hold recommendation. Lastly, on that day, Piper Sandler rated NVDA as overweight and recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is categorized as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also marked as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support at $144.52 and $135.05. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.38%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average signals a buy from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 41 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 29 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss information for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.60 and $117.59. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may cause the stock to decline to the next support level. In this scenario, Nvidia has support positioned just below today's level at $131.60. Should this level be breached, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $117.59 and $116.91. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.61 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 2.47%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 20th of November, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are set at 74 cents. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $148.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $131.60. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens executed an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens executed an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens executed an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens executed an insider sale of 165,100 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Zhenshun Huang executed an insider sale of 1,568,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 93.970. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,923,740 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $142.57, reflecting a decline of 3.87%. This stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal arising from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of November, we anticipate Nvidia will open down by 33 cents and begin trading at $147.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.